Today's episode of Hauling Hoopties with Rob, we pick up a 2002 Honda CRV. It's Vineland, New Jersey. Hey, what's up, bud? Picking up ACV? 2002 Honda.
Hey, Steve. I'm not sure I came back to see you.
I know, you always come and see me, it's fine.
I always do.
You don't want to say anything.
Yep, thank you.
I do.
I always take like mine now.
Oh, you guys are probably not asking yours, right?
These things are huge, man.
Yeah.
Is that full size?
For the most part.
Yeah.
They call it a mid-size still.
Really?
But
Wow.
full size, you gotta do your Tahoes and Suburbans.
Yeah, they got so much bigger.
I think this is the key. But
Okay.
there's no tag on it, so I have no clue.
Alright, we'll give it a shot.
And I just gotta do my due diligence. So.
Yep. Where are they located?
Parked all the way in the back here.
Okay, cool. I used to have Subaru Brats back in the day,
Yeah.
and they were tiny compared to these things, man.
I know. People still want them now.
Yeah, I had a bunch of them. They've really gone up in value a lot.
Yeah. We had one guy who had his held out selling it, and then finally I made him an offer and he sold it.
A Brat?
Yeah.
What'd you pay, like 10 grand?
No, we didn't offer him anything.
Oh, really?
We sold it retail to somebody.
Yeah, they're doing like 10 grand. I mean, they're doing really good money. Surprising.
There's supposed to be something about the Baja coming out.
Yeah,
We're shoot for
that's
tomorrow.
good.
1 o'clock. Let's go out Kansas and have more go. We'll have everybody with us.
Okay.
All right?
And then, just so I have everything straight, what are we doing cash down wise?
I'm going to do just a 10 down.
10 down.
You're going to make that payment start with it.
You're tough. You guys are tough. I have to come
Oh,
in
yeah,
here
we're real
all
tough.
the time.
We're real tough.
Look, I have to beat them all the time. You know?
And our first service on me, so.
Thank you. So nice.
See, I'm not that tough. I'm a big guy, but I'm a softie.
Somebody's got free coupons he's handing out then.
Okay, there you go.
All right. All right, sweetie.
All right, I will see you tomorrow then. All right.
All
Alright,
right,
give that
I will give it a shot.
Be careful not to leave you back and I'll have to track down something for you.
Did this guy tell you what he sold the Subaru for or no?
Yeah, I have to guess it.
I used to buy them for $1,000, $500,
Yeah.
and I see them on eBay for 10,000.
Oh yeah,
That's crazy.
The Bajas and the Brats, yeah.
Yeah, so
They're
have
supposed
a,
to come out the new body style Baja.
they should, man. That's good.
They have the concept, but I don't think it's going to be a real thing.
Right. All right, my friend. Thank you. Hopefully, I won't come back in.
Not a problem.
All right. All right, it started. Been having bad luck lately with some of these junkers, but that's the chance you take when you're buying Hoopties. Feels like brakes. Oh god. Oh shit, it needs brakes. Feels like it's grinding. Might be just rust on the rotors. Find out when we get back to Hoopty headquarters and take it for a ride. Locked and loaded. Let's get back to the Hoopty headquarters and see how it runs. Back at my house because there's no more room at the Hoopty headquarters. We're going to take this bad boy for a ride, see how it feels. Bearings are making noise. Oh yeah. It's pretty loud. Yep, it's going to need a front wheel bearing. Shift's good. Brakes in the front. I don't know. That could be the inside brake pad. Yeah, it does not sound good. But it runs good. Motor sounds good. Transmission sounds good. Transmission shifts good. This has noisy wheel bearings, or one noisy wheel bearing. Well, I've got another pile of shit on my hands. That makes number 3 for the week. Well, there you go. Honda CRV. Passenger side wheel bearing makes noise. It's pretty loud. So I'm not sure what we're going to put this one for. I might try $16.99 and see what happens. If it doesn't sell for that price, we'll probably do a little bit less, but either way I'm still making money, so it doesn't matter.